You've been told the same thing your whole life. That you're too sensitive, that you overreact, that you should toughen up if you want to survive in this world. So you learned to apologize for your emotions, to hide your reactions, to act stronger than you actually feel. But what if that advice was never meant for your nervous system? What if the problem was never you, but the environment you were forced to adapt to? Psychology has a name for people like you, a highly sensitive person. But that label misses something important. You're not fragile. You're a high-resolution system living in a low-resolution world. While most people skim reality, your brain takes it in deeply. Sounds, emotions, patterns, shifts in tone, nothing really passes unnoticed. And this isn't a mindset. It's biology. Your nervous system is wired differently. Research shows that your brain filters less information than most people's. Scientists call this low latent inhibition. In simple terms, most brains automatically mute background noise to save energy. Yours doesn't. You feel the chair beneath you. You hear the hum in the room. You sense the emotional undercurrent in a conversation, all at once. That's why you get overwhelmed faster. But it's also why you notice connections, beauty, and warning signs others miss completely. The second difference is empathy. Your mirror neurons, the cells responsible for emotional understanding, are unusually active. When someone around you feels anxious, sad, or tense, you don't just notice it. Your body reacts as if it's happening to you. You absorb the emotional atmosphere like a sponge in a room full of spills. And then you wonder why you're exhausted. The third difference is the one you probably criticize yourself for the most. You process information deeply. In conversations or decisions, you pause. You hesitate. You replay things in your head. Psychologists call this a pause-to-check strategy. You're not slow. You're thorough. While others react instantly, your brain is analyzing meaning, predicting outcomes, and linking the moment to past experience. You're running a complex internal system, not lagging behind. So here's the real question. If sensitivity makes life harder, why did evolution keep it? Because early human groups needed more than fearless risk-takers. They needed someone to sense danger before it arrived. Someone to notice subtle changes. Someone to slow the group down and say, wait. That was you. Sensitivity survived because it protected the tribe. The problem is that modern life isn't built for this system. It's loud, fast, aggressive, designed for constant stimulation and rapid response. So when you feel drained, withdrawn, or suddenly need silence, you're not failing. Your system is overloaded. Think of it like memory on a computer. Too many programs running, and everything freezes. Psychology uses a powerful metaphor to explain this. Most people are like wildflowers. They're resilient. They grow almost anywhere. You're not a wildflowers. You're a magnolia. In harsh conditions, magnolias don't survive well. They wilt. And for years, you may have blamed yourself for that. But research on vantage sensitivity shows something critical. In the right environment, with proper boundaries, quiet, and care, magnolias don't just survive. They outperform. You don't need thicker skin. You need better conditions. When you stop fighting your biology and start designing your life around it, something shifts. You stop burning out. You stop disappearing. You stop thinking something is wrong with you. And maybe that's why you stay quiet sometimes. Why you observe more than you speak. To others, it can look like withdrawal. But psychology suggests something else. That silence isn't emptiness. It's depth. In a world addicted to noise, your ability to feel deeply isn't a weakness. It's a form of intelligence. And once you stop trying to numb it, it becomes your greatest advantage. This is unordinary psychology. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell.